time, there lived a strange bird with two heads, one facing the left and the other facing the right. The two heads used to fight and argue with each other even for simple reasons, though they shared the same body. The two heads behaved like rivals. The strange bird lived in the beginning tree along of the bend of river. One day while flying over the river, the left head of the bird saw a beautiful tree that had a bright red fruit. The left head of the bird wanted to eat the fruit, and the bird flew down to pick the fruit from tree. The bird plucked the sweet smelling fruit and sit by banks of river and started eating. The fruit was eaten by the left head, while it was eating the right head asked, "Can you give me a piece of taste?" The left head said, "See, we have only one stomach, so even if I eat in one mouth, it will go only in our two stomachs." The right head said, "But I want to taste the fruit, so you should give me." The left head replied in an angry way, "I saw the fruit and hence I have the right to eat it without sharing with anyone." The right head felt sad and became silent. A few days later, while the bird was flying over the river again, the right head saw a beautiful pink fruit in a tree and tried to pick the fruit and eat it. The other birds living in the tree said, "Don't eat it. It's a poisonous fruit. It will kill you." The left head said, "Don't eat it! Don't eat it!" However, the right head did not listen to the left head. The right head said, "I will eat it because I saw it. You have no right to stop me." The left head shouted, "Please, please don't eat it. We will die." The right head said, "Since I saw it, I have the right to eat it." Clearly, the right head was trying to take revenge of the left head for not sharing the red fruit with it. Earlier, finally, the pink fruit was eaten by the right head, and in a few minutes, the strange bird with the two heads dropped down dead.